Hey everybody, what's up? Jess here, Arrow Jam Farms. Now I'm down here feeding the calves today, but as you can see over here, I'm also down here at the squeeze chute, and I've got a little repair I want to make to that. I'll show you all about that here in just a second. I want to get these calves fed first, and then we'll jump over there on the SO4, and I'll show you what's going on with it, and then we'll try to get it fixed. Y'all stick around. All right, well, here we are at the SO4 Squeeze Chute, and basically what I got going on, I'll show you in just a second. This is a squeeze chute, and there's a squeeze lock right up here, and I think that's malfunctioning. And I got a new lock right here and some tools, and I haven't had to change one of these out yet. I'm surprised I'm having to this soon, but you know, pretty sure that's what it is. This isn't that old 2019 model, but it does set out in the weather, so that may have something to do with it. So here's the squeeze handle, and you'll see that's squeezing in. Now I can reach up here by hand, and there's a squeeze lock right there connecting to that rod there. So I don't know if you can see that moving. I'm just pulling this back by hand. So when you have a calf or a cow in here and you got it squeezed, that lock's not holding. And this was the case the other day because I ran some calves through here and I banded a couple, and this wasn't working. So, you know, it made things a little more difficult to get in there and get that calf banded. Wife had to try to hold this handle to hold them as good as she could, but it still is not as good as having that lock on there, because if that's working right, this thing will not move at all, and that's what you want. If you don't know, these locks have a lifetime guarantee on them. All I had to do was call Priefert and say, hey, I'm pretty sure I got a bad lock, and they said, we'll send you a new one. All you gotta do is pay for the shipping. So I think 20 or 21 bucks, and I had a new one here. It came in today, actually. I think I ordered it a couple weeks ago, or not a couple weeks, a couple days ago. So a day, you know, 2 days, and it was here. Which, you know, they're pretty close to us, but still, they got it out really quick. And so let's hop up here and take a look. And I don't think it's going to be too difficult. Just a couple of bolts to take loose, and we'll see if we can get a new one on here and see how it works. All right, here's the new one. Just took it out of the box. Here's the one we got to replace, and I guess it would be actually like that. So what I'm seeing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts that we got to take out. Actually, it's gonna be like this. Had it the wrong way. There's a stopper on this end down here, and so that's got to be on that end. And this end bolts to the other side of the chute. That's just got it zip tied to keep it from coming out during shipping. So I'll take out these 6 bolts and get this new one in here, and we'll get it tried out. They really, that's it, nothing to it. Just like I said, 6 bolts, and she's done. We'll try it out. Probably throw some WD-40 in here just to help give it a little bit of lubrication, but that's about all they recommend. Just a real lightweight oil. Got one squeezed. That's more like it. Yeah, that's better. That's what it was. I can't budge that thing now, so I'm confident that that was our problem. And it usually is. I mean, these are easy to work on, easy to fix, and they make these locks, changing those out, I mean, really simple. It'd be the same way on these head gates. There's actually one on this side and one on that side. So if you have one side that's kind of messing up, then it may be just that side lockbox. Well, all right, there you have it. Fixing the old well, it ain't old, but fixing the SO4 Squeeze Chute. And like I said, I'm really happy with this Squeeze Chute. Priefert, you know, I think they make a pretty good product. And yeah, that's it. Nothing to it. 5 to 10 minutes. I think my camera said like 11 minutes, but part of that was talking and not actually changing the lockout. But realistically, I mean, I don't know why 5 minutes I couldn't have this thing changed out and been back in business. So don't be afraid to buy one of these old Squeeze Chutes if they say it's not working. You can buy these locks. Like I said, they have a lifetime, well, you don't have to buy them, they have a lifetime guarantee on them. You just call them, say, hey, I have this model Squeeze Chute. I think the lock's messed up. You just pay the shipping, they'll send you a new lock, and you should be back in business. Well, all right, that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below on what you think about these Prieferts and the lock system on them, if they've lasted very long for you. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.